Demystifying Peruse, a closer look. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a word that might sound a little fancy but is quite interesting. Peruse. You might have come across this term in reading or conversations. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also be able to use it confidently in your daily conversations. Peruse is a verb. At its core, to peruse means to read or examine something, typically in a thorough or careful manner. So when someone says they're perusing a document, they're taking their time to read and understand it deeply. Many people mistakenly think that peruse means to skim or glance over quickly. This is a common misconception. In reality, it refers to reading something with attention to detail. Remember, when you peruse, you dive deep. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples. 1. I'll peruse the contract tonight and give you my feedback tomorrow. 2. She sat in the library, perusing her favorite novel. 3. Before making any decisions, it's essential to peruse all the available information. These examples should help you grasp how to use peruse in various contexts. It's always good to know synonyms, as they help enrich our vocabulary. Some synonyms for peruse include examine, study, inspect, review. And there you have it. The next time you come across the word peruse, or use it yourself, you'll know you're talking about reading or examining something with careful attention. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep perusing knowledge, and see you next time.